This is the Olsatools adjustable pliers wrench, 10-inch set, made in Germany. Push button quick release or adjust, ergonomic handles and smooth jaw. This is the 10-inch pair, like I stated. The 10-inch pair is what I was really interested in since I already have a 7-inch pair. So there is a slight difference. Even if this was the 10-inch pair, the design is still the same. As you can see here, the jaw on the Knipex kind of comes, it thins out, starts out a little bit thicker and then gets a little bit slimmer. Whereas this 10-inch pair, it's just the same size jaw front to back. And these open to 2 inches. I think slightly over 2 inches, but actual grasping force is 2 inches. And the other cool thing is with this over the Knipex, on this slide indicator here, it actually states in millimeters, and then on the other side it also says 52 millimeter up here, and then on the back side it states it in inches. So you got 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, so it goes by 1/4 inch, and then you have your increments in between, and then it states 2-inch jaw opening there. And then it still has, you know, it has a push button design just like the Knipex. Push button slightly different. This one's kind of like a bowl almost. So overall the same design. They haven't changed like how the pliers operate, whereas like some other brands you can tell this is style of design of how the jaws move. So the same design here in the function, slightly different jaw, both smooth jaws. Since it's the Pliers Wrench. Olsatools one has a slightly wider jaw that stays the same width, and then you can see just the physical appearance, the different design that they've used, you know, the material that they've removed. And then here you can see made in Germany. And then I want to say, if I remember correctly, there's roughly 15 adjustments here, basically 15 different positions that you can put it in. But just having a pair of pliers like this is extremely handy. Just pressure on that top handle, just very little pressure, really bites into the fastener, or really grabs, and releasing it, you know, is extremely easy. So it makes fast work much easier to adjust than, you know, constantly having to adjust your adjustable wrench. Other than that, it does seem that the Olsatools has some sort of coating. I would say the Knipex probably has a coating, but it's more of a bare material. But you can see the Olsatools almost has like a silver finish to it. And then here's the dual grip handles. The black is like a rubberized, a softer, and then the red is more of a harder plastic. So it's got the dual material handles, comfort grip. They are comfortable, but once again, that's up to you if you're a fan of comfort grips or not. I have used this so much where I could have used a 10-inch preferably, because obviously you can get a lot more torque on them. And when I'm using a lot of torque, I figured the comfort grips might be handy. Olsatools has the lifetime warranty on this as well, and I think with the discount, which I'll down in the description of the video as well, if you guys want, you can buy it from the Olsatools website. Once again, it's 2-inch jaw capacity. It has the readouts in both metric and SAE, a nice push button adjustment with roughly 15 positions, I believe. Nice comfortable grip and very well built. So I'm happy to see another German-made product brought to us that's easily accessible. I wanted to share with you guys another possible option that's around the same price range. If you're interested in the Knipex, obviously they're available, but if you're trying to save about $10 to $15, I think the Olsatools is a fantastic other option while still getting a tool that's made in Germany. So please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Let me know if I forgot to mention anything or anything like that. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.